We are in the process of pollination. So if I shake this, we have pollen falling.
Right now, this cornfield is entering one of the most important stages of its entire life. Over the next week or two, millions of tiny grains of pollen will determine this year's harvest. If pollination fails, those kernels are gone forever. Today we're heading into the field with a Penn State Extension agronomist to see how it all works.
Corn has male reproductive structures and female reproductive structures separate on the plant, whereas some flowers, those are combined into one flower, like a daisy, for example. But here, the male reproductive structure is the tassel. That includes the pollen grains. And down here, what will be the ear, this is the female reproductive structure. So we need to get the pollen from the tassel to these silks. Each silk leads to an ovule that could potentially become a kernel, a seed. So it's critical for the pollen to reach each individual silk, because if we don't have complete pollination, there's no way to magically make that kernel appear in the future. It's now or never.
Farmers only get one chance at successful pollination. Once this window closes, so does the crops for yield potential. So how do you know if pollination is actually working?
This is how you do a pollination test. Here I have taken an ear from a plant and I've removed the husk. And what I was looking at was to see if any pollination has occurred yet. So you can do an in-field pollination test to get a feel for how good your pollination has been. So the protocol is you remove the leaves around the husk, and then you shake, and any silks that drop indicates those have been pollinated. So what you would be looking for ideally when you perform this test at an appropriate time would be all those silks fall off. You get 100% pollination from butt to tip, and then you're just hopeful that we have good weather and no pest issues the rest of the year so that you can maximize your yield.
Every kernel of corn starts with a successful pollination event. Those ears you sometimes see with missing kernels, they're often telling the story of what happened during these few critical days.
It's a critical time to set our yields, and then after this point, it's stress from pests and weather that are gonna change things. I think it's a great idea for every farmer to do it, give you an idea early what to expect for your yield potential.